Hello everyone, welcome to FHALenders.com. We're going to talk today about the FHA loans that are available in Kentucky and then provide just a little bit more information for you. So first, there are various types of FHA loans that you may or may not know about. Yes, you can buy a home with an FHA loan, you can refinance a home with an FHA loan, but you can also get the FHA 203K rehab loan in Kentucky, which will allow you to buy a home that may not be perfect, that might not be your dream home for whatever reason. Maybe it's ugly, maybe, but everything else about it is you like the way the rooms are laid out and the property and the location, but you don't like the carpet, you don't like the paint, you don't like the siding, you want to change the kitchen or the bathrooms. So rather than pass on the home because you can't find the perfect location, and this one might be the perfect location, you can get the FHA 203K rehab loan and include in the loan the money needed to change all of those things that you don't like. And so you can have those changed quickly after closing. Maybe 3 weeks later it's all done, and then you move in and now you have that dream house that you're looking for. So that's a great program. There's the FHA one-time close construction loan where you can buy a lot and also build the home, all with just 3.5% down. All costs included are covered by the loan with just 3.5% down. Not too many lenders offer that, but we do have a couple that can help you, and we can provide you with that information at FHALenders.com in the first pinned comment and also the description down below. Now, yes, we talked about being able to refinance your home. You can get an FHA Streamline refinance if your current mortgage is an FHA loan. You can refinance it again in the future. If you don't have an FHA loan and you want to buy a house and the rates are high and you want to be able to refinance, feel comfortable that you can do it quickly and easily with the FHA Streamline refinance without having to provide all of your income documentation again, without having to have the home appraised, which is valuable in a situation when home prices may come down. You can get that lower rate without all of that. So that's a great program. And then the FHA cash out refinance, with that program, you can cash out up to 80% of the appraised value of the home, and the lender will have to order an appraisal. You'll have to provide all of your income documentations. It is the same application that you will have filled out when you bought the home, and this time you're just going to refinance to cash out. Hopefully you built up some equity in your home over the past few years, especially when home prices went skyrocketing up. Maybe you have that equity, you can cash out 80% of the home's appraised value. Those are the basic programs that are available for FHA. Now, there are some first-time home buyer down payment assistance programs and grants available in the state of Kentucky. We have a page that talks about finding an local FHA lender in Kentucky, which I'll link to also. You can get seller assistance. Up to 6% of your purchase price can be used towards your closing costs to purchase a home in Kentucky. So that might be beneficial to you. And then the other thing you're going to have to keep your eye on are the FHA loan limits. So FHA has established a maximum FHA loan amount for each county in every state. So in the state of Kentucky, when I'm looking on the website right now, and every county has the same loan limit, meaning the maximum loan amount you can get for FHA for a single family, duplex, 3-family, and a 4-family. So just keep your eye on that. We'll list it at the website, and you can follow along. We change it every year as those loan limits change too. So we can help you get pre-approved. You can speak to someone more about your situation at FHALenders.com. We're linking it down below in the first pinned comment and also the description. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks for joining us, everyone, and we'll see you next time.